In this video, I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on how you can use the Uber app. So you can download it from the App Store or the Play Store. I already have the app, so I'm going to open it. When you're registering, you'll be required to provide your email address and your phone number, and that's basically it. And your name, right? Now, once you complete the registration, at the top of the app, it will be asking where to. So you then just search for the location where you want to visit, and then it will select your address by default. You can also change this address if you wish to something else. Then you select your destination. It will then show you the list of rides that are available. So you have UberX, which is normally the cheapest. Then you have Comfort, which is a little bit more expensive. And then you have Uber XL, which is for larger items, like if you're going to the airport. And this costs a little bit more as well. And then you go ahead and choose the ride that you want. You can adjust the pickup spot of your choice by dragging this little icon here, right? So let's say I wanted a pickup here. I can then just drag it and set the pin, and it will adjust the pickup location. Then once you go ahead and select request ride, it will send out a notification for the drivers, and then once a driver is available and pick up your ride, you will see the tracker for the vehicle start moving to your location. It's very important to note that you are on location when the vehicle arrives, and you note the plate number of the vehicle, so that once the vehicle arrives, you know that they are coming for you. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.